Hello doctors. Today we are going to walk through the process of updating the new section on your SmartSite using your AboutMyClinic Dashboard. Keeping your patients informed about the latest updates and news is crucial for maintaining engagement. Let's dive in. First, log in into your AboutMyClinic Dashboard with your secure credentials. Once logged in, navigate to Post News and Events section of your dashboard. This is where you can manage and update the latest news and events for your clinic. To add a new news item, look for this Post News tab over here. Click on it to begin. Enter the title of news article in the designated field. Make it attention grabbing for your audience. Then provide a brief summary or introduction to the news in this description box. You can enhance your news article by adding a video link over there and an image over here. Before publishing, review your news to ensure accuracy and clarity. You can edit the content as needed to refine your message. Once you are satisfied with the news article, click Publish to make it live on your SmartSite on this bottom right button over here. Remember to keep your news section updated with timely and relevant information. If you need to update or edit an existing news item, then click View, Edit and Boost Post over here. Make the necessary changes by clicking on this pencil icon and click on Update at the bottom right. Congratulations! You have successfully updated the news section on your SmartSite using your dashboard. By keeping your patients informed, you are enhancing their experience and engagement with your clinic. As a final tip, consider establishing a regular schedule for updating your news section to keep your patients informed about the latest developments and updates happening from your clinic. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy updating!